Get rid of wasps and hornets in just minutes with this simple trap. This homemade container works like a powerful scent trap that attracts insects even from a long distance. Take a tall container and pour in half a cup of water. Then add half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Its strong, sour scent works as a powerful attractant for wasps. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. It reduces the surface tension of the water so the insects cannot stay afloat or escape. Stir everything well. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix again. Pour the finished mixture into an empty container. Close the lid and make a few small holes in the top. Place the trap outside, away from the area where you sit or relax. The strong smell will quickly attract wasps and hornets into the container, where they will remain trapped. Remember to replace the liquid regularly so the trap stays effective. It's a simple and practical way to enjoy peaceful time outdoors without unwanted insects flying around. This is how you can get rid of ants in 2 minutes. No chemicals and no spending a fortune. Ants are small insects that can be incredibly annoying, especially when they start showing up in your home. That's why it's worth trying this simple, natural method that can quickly help solve the problem. Take 1 orange. It will be the key ingredient in this trap. Remove the matches from the box, then stick them into the orange with the wooden ends facing inward. Thanks to their wooden structure, the matches help release the scent of the orange, enhancing its ant-repelling effect. The wooden ends also help spread the aroma, making it harder for the insects to access that area. The orange, with its strong citrus scent, effectively repels ants and keeps them away from the spot. You can place it on an anthill, next to trash bins, or in other places where these insects often appear. The matches have properties that support the repelling process. It is an effective method that works quickly and naturally, without harmful chemicals. This way you can easily get rid of unwanted guests without spending money on expensive products. It is a simple trick that will help you enjoy peace at home without unwanted insects. It only takes 10 minutes to get rid of ants. This trick will make the ants run away. You can eliminate an entire anthill without using harmful substances. I'll show you how to do it. Take a lemon, which is the main ingredient of our trick. Also, prepare some cloves. They are the second most important ingredient. Cloves are a very effective natural ant repellent because insects dislike their strong scent. Take the cloves and start sticking them into the lemon. There should be quite a few cloves. This lemon is now ready to use. Simply place it on the anthill. You can also place it where ants often appear. You'll see the first effects within a few minutes. Cloves combined with natural repellents like lemon create a strong deterrent effect. The ants will disappear quickly. There's no need to resort to chemical insecticides right away. It's worth using homemade remedies. Just a few drops will deter ants. If you want to get rid of them in your garden or home, this simple and inexpensive mixture is all you need. It won't harm plants or household members, but effectively repels ants. To prepare it, you only need a few household ingredients. Take a pitcher and pour half a liter of water into it. Then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense smell disorients ants. Mix the solution thoroughly. Next, add half a teaspoon of garlic, which irritates ants. After adding the garlic, mix again and add half a teaspoon of pepper. Wait a few minutes, then strain the mixture through a sieve. Pour the prepared mixture over areas where ants are present. Cinnamon, garlic, and pepper, especially black pepper, contain substances that irritate ants. Therefore, using this previously prepared mixture will cause ants to avoid areas treated with this solution. I've never gotten rid of ants so quickly. I scared them away simply, and they haven't returned. When ants get too close to your home, garden, or your child's sandbox, you just need to spray a homemade solution. It's 100% effective. If you have ants in the sandbox, this will also deter cats that often use the sandbox as a litter box. Start by preparing a bowl of water. Add a few teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Ants hate the smell of this spice. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon and add it to the cinnamon water. This is another scent ants dislike. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Add a few teaspoons of them. Coffee grounds are one of the best products for repelling ants. Finally, add a few drops of mild soap or dishwashing liquid. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours. Then strain the mixture. Pour it into a spray bottle. Now, you just need to spray the areas where you see ants. You can spray the soil around plants, benches, or the sandbox. Also, secure the entrance to the terrace. This method isn't harmful to ants or other insects, but it is effective. The ants will simply relocate to another place. Rub soap on the front door. Yes, regular soap. It may sound unimpressive, but its properties might surprise you. Rub it thoroughly into the bottom edge of the door. Don't be stingy. It's especially worth doing this on balcony doors, where dust and small particles often collect. You can also gently spread soap on the bottom window frames. A thin, well-distributed layer is enough, especially on the sides and in the corners. It works quickly, leaves no traces, and ants start avoiding these areas entirely. There's one more simple method. Grate a bit of soap, preferably using the coarse side of a grater. Pour it into a small bowl and add a tablespoon of instant coffee. Mix it. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil. Cover the bowl with it, and poke a few holes using a toothpick. Set it near the door, including balcony doors, somewhere it won't get stepped on. 2 simple steps. Neither of them seems like much, but give them a few days, and ants will never visit your home again. Sprinkle it on the grass, and the ants will disappear. This is an effective, natural way to fight ants on your lawn. The powder works mainly because of its strong scent, which disrupts ants' ability to navigate and communicate. As a result, ants will avoid your lawn and garden. Just sprinkle it where you see ants or their nests. It will effectively drive them away. They won't want to stay where they feel unsafe. Fortunately, not only ground cinnamon works against ants. If you have a bigger ant problem, use cinnamon oil. Just a few drops are enough to make an effective spray bottle. Add the drops to water and spray the areas where ants appear. Cinnamon oil lasts a long time and works just like ground cinnamon. The scent not only repels ants, but also helps protect plants by creating a natural barrier. Try this method and use it regularly. You'll see how easy and eco-friendly it is to get rid of ants. Ants won't be back for several years, and you'll get rid of both ants and aphids with 100% effectiveness. This is my favorite natural ant spray, made from a green cucumber. It works wonders, and surprisingly, few people know how effective green cucumber can be. The bitter compound in it acts like poison for ants. Simply slice the cucumber and put it in a blender. Add a cup of vodka, then blend everything until smooth. After that, strain it through a sieve to remove the cucumber pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of shampoo or liquid soap and mix well. Now, just pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Your natural ant spray is ready. Just spray it on areas where you spot insects. This spray not only keeps ants away, but is also safe for people and pets. It's a natural repellent ants try to avoid. Plus, the vodka and shampoo help improve the application by making the mixture more effective and giving it a stronger scent. I hope this method proves as helpful for you as it has for me.